Hey guys, in this video we will be learning how to save view with hidden walls. Alright, so as you can see, this is the view which some of us would like to render. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's get started. So as you can see from my layout, I have a square room, okay, with my custom wardrobe in it. So when I go in and when I look from the outside, I still can see my walls. So how do I hide my walls? So come right on top here, tool, setup. So as you can see, this one, show external wall, you hide it. Alright, once you hide it, you may be able to see something like that. Alright, so right now the next thing, which is the background, the white background. Alright, so right now we don't have any background, so don't think it is white in color, because when you render, they will eventually put in the environment for you. Okay, so how to have a white background? Simple as that. So go to your cloud, go to your door and windows, right over here, select Windows Scenery. Okay, you may go to your 2D and to place this. Okay, if you would like to rotate, you may rotate it. Okay, so I'm gonna stretch it as much as possible. Okay, so it actually covers up the entire thing. Alright, so right now I actually stretched the length to 14,000. Alright, let's make it 29,000. Alright, so for my height, I'm gonna make it 20,000. Alright, so I'm just gonna type in my height, so when I go back into my walk-in mode, it's gonna be as big as this. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is that I would like to drag this right down. So hold on to your space bar and drag it right down. Okay, hold on to your space bar, drag it right down, place it accordingly. Okay, if you would like to rotate it, you may rotate it. Okay, so make sure you hold on to your space bar whenever you are adjusting the background. Okay, so next what am I gonna do is that I will go to my finishes. Okay, I will choose wallpaper, plain colors. Okay, and I'm gonna look for a white, pure solid white, which is this, and I'm gonna just paste it right here. Okay, so next we are going to do is that we can actually start going into our render. Okay, so make sure you put your lights on, okay, so that it's not dark. Okay, as you can see right now, I already have my lights over here. Okay, so choose the right angles. Okay, I already saved my snapshot, and you may just submit. Alright, and there you have it. Alright, so this is how to save view with hidden walls. Good luck trying, guys.